Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Protopie Quick Tips, and in this tutorial we'll be creating this bounce effect button inside of Protopie. So without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here inside of Protopie I've already imported my designs, and the first thing we'll do is select a button and add a tap trigger. The second thing we'll do is add a scale condition. Make sure it's factor and scale by, and then we'll make it -10. We'll duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D. Make sure there's delay of 0.1 in the second one, and we'll make it +10. And when we'll run it, it shows us something like this. To make it a bit more smoother, we'll select both of these and go to spring. Let's make it 280 and 18. Now when we run it, we get the smooth bounce animation. You can use the same technique on different types of buttons and different designs like these shown on the screen. You can download this file from the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below what you will want next, and I'll see you guys in the next one.